Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign into Netflix on PC or smart TV so you can watch Netflix on another device, except phone or beside of your phone. So all you have to do is download the Netflix from a website, or if you use a smart TV, usually when you buy the smart TV, the Netflix app will be default. So you can search the Netflix app and open with your remote, and then try to open. And this is the start page. So if you are the first user, you can choose your plan here. And I recommend you to a s- make a subscription or the first login via mobile device. So it will be easier than sign in or create account from a smart TV or PC. And if you already have an account from your a mobile phone or your another device, you can click this sign in and insert your email and password. So after you insert your email and password, this app will be launched. You can see movie here. So as you can see, I already have two account here. And log in a first account or second account. Second account, maybe you wanna make account for your kids or with the parental control. So as you can see, you can watch a movie
No, no.
now. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.